Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make candied gingerbread mini loaves. I love to make this at the holidays. I give them as gifts, and this has so much flavor. It's coming from this crystallized candied ginger. I like to get it at Trader Joe's. Their ginger is really plump, but we're also going to use orange zest, ground ginger, ground cloves, cinnamon, nutmeg to give it a lot of spicy flavor. So let me get everything mise en place, and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
Now my butter's been sitting out for a while, so it's nice and soft. If you can do this to your butter, then you're ready. If you forget to take it out, put it in the microwave for about 12 seconds and it will soften. I'm gonna get this in here. There we go. And then we're gonna paddle it till it's light. And I do it on low speed. Now I'm gonna add in our half a cup of granulated sugar. Then we're gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl and the paddle attachment to make sure it's all mixed in very well. And we're gonna add in now our quarter cup of light brown sugar. And again, mix that on low until it's combined. We're gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl again and the paddle attachment. And next we're gonna add in our orange zest. We wanna add this in now because we want it to be broken up. If you see it, sometimes the orange zest can tend to clump, but if you add it in now with the butter, it'll certainly break up and be spread throughout. Next, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of candied ginger that I finely chopped. And to this, we're gonna add the eggs, and we're gonna do it one at a time. I wanna make sure it's completely combined before you add in the next egg. Next, I'm gonna add the half a cup of molasses, and I sprayed the measuring cup with nonstick cooking spray. That way the molasses will pour right into our mixing bowl. I have 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, or 13.5 ounces if you would prefer to scale it, which I do. And then to that, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to stir that together with my measuring spoon before adding in all of our spices. And to this, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, which is just estimate half of your 1/4 teaspoon measuring spoon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. It smells amazing. And again, you just want to stir it together. You can use your measuring spoons or a wooden spoon. Get that mixed in completely. Now we're going to add in all of our dry ingredients at once into the bowl. Once the flour is all combined, we're now going to add in our ½ a cup of cold water. Stop mixing when you see the batter is nice and smooth. I prefer to scale mine when I'm portioning it, and we're going to spray it with nonstick cooking spray liberally, and I do it 9 ounces per loaf pan. However, if you don't have a scale, just fill it up 3/4 up the side of the loaf pan. You're going to bake it in a 375-degree oven for about 30 minutes, and to test for doneness, stick a knife in the center. If it comes out clean, it is done. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. And look, here is I had a little extra dough, so I made a muffin out of it so I could taste this one. And let's check it out. Let's see how nice and fluffy. Ooh, look at the inside, look at that. It is very tender. Let's take a bite. I'm gonna have a little piece of this. Oh, that was absolutely amazing. The candied ginger in there is so delightful. I cannot wait to eat the rest of it. And the hint of orange, the flavor is phenomenal. So thank you so much for joining me. Check out all of my videos on my YouTube channel. I have over 449 and keep coming back for more. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know if there's something you'd like me to make for you. All right, take care, everybody. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.